Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal practice model in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we are going to learn different commands of Autodesk Inventor sheet metal and construct this advanced sheet metal part. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select the XY plane, take the line command, select the center point and make the L bending. Okay, now escape. Go to dimension, define this height as 22.5 and here define this horizontal dimension as 30 mm. Now finish sketch and here go to counter flange. For open sheet metal profiles, we will use the counter flange command. Now here we have the offset direction. As you can see, the sheet metal will be made inside the provided sketch, or you can flip from here. So this profile will be inside and the sheet metal part will go outside. Okay, we are taking it inside and here rotate the home view and here we will see this is one directional flange. You can flip the direction from here or you can take it symmetric. We are taking in this case a symmetric flange and here change it to 80 mm. Okay, now here press OK. Now we want to define the thickness of the sheet. Go to sheet metal defaults, go to uncheck this and here we are going to take 1.5 mm and click on apply. Exit. Now rotate this profile, select this back face, go to create sketch. Now here take the rectangle command and select 2-point rectangle. Here we are going to make a 2-point rectangle. Go to dimension. From bottom, this will be at a distance of 15 mm and this will be a width of 25 mm. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center point over here and select the center point. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Here we will change the direction and we will take this dimension as 25 or you can just take it as 20 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now go to part 5. Now we want to make this flange profile. When I rotate this, you can see a flange profile. Okay, go to part 2. Now we will select this face once again. Go to create sketch. Okay, or first I'll show you one thing. Finish sketch. Now go to unfold command. Select this face as stationary face and here click all bends and press OK. So we have changed the shape of this. Okay, now go to inspect, go to measure, select this face, rotate and select this face. Here the dimension is 24.893. Okay, select this, right click and copy. Okay, now exit. Now I'll tell you why we have copied this dimension. Now go to sheet metal once again. Now go to Refold, select this face as stationary face and click add all bends and press OK. Okay, so we are back with the profile. Now here go to sketch 3, drag this sketch 3 down, double click this. Now here go to rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, select this edge and make a rectangle profile. Now go to dimension, define this dimension here. Here we will just paste the dimension which we have copied, 24.893 and minus 1. Okay, so this will be the height. Now here select this edge and this, give it 1 mm offset and here also offset of 1 mm. Okay, now finish sketch and go to face command. So when we select the face command, our sheet metal part will be constructed over here. of same thickness of 1.5. Now press OK. So this will be the sheet metal part. Now go to the corner round, click on corner round, take here a radius of 5 mm, go to corner selection and select these two corners. Click on apply. Now change the radius to 6, go to corner selection once again, select this edge, rotate and select this edge. Now press OK. We have taken 1 mm extra as this profile is 1 mm extra from this flange. Now I'll show you the process once again. Go to the unfold, select this face, click on add all bends and press OK. Go to left view. Now you can see the 1 mm uniform thickness has been maintained over here when we open the sheet. Okay. Go to part 5. Now we have a cut profile over here. So we are going to make this cut profile and this whole profile. Go to part 2. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Take the line command and make the profile over here like this and close profile. Now go to horizontal constraint. Select the center point over here and select the center point, the yellow point. Okay. Now here go to dimension. Define this total dimension as 12 and the half dimension will be 6. Okay. Now here define this dimension as 2 mm. Okay. Now here this dimension will be of 8 mm. Now you can see the proper profile. You can note down all the dimensions. Now here go to sheet metal, take here cut. So this will cut this profile up to thickness and press OK. Okay. Now I want same profile this side as well. So go to mirror command, select this cut one, go to mirror plane and here go to origin and we'll select the mid plane. So XY will be the mid plane and press OK. So the same cut profile will be constructed over here. Now for whole profiles, select this face once again, go to create sketch, take the circle command and make one hole here and one hole here. Now go to concentric, select this outer profile, select the circle, select this outer profile and select this circle. So both the center points will be at same. Okay, go to dimension, define this as 5 dia. Now go to equal constraint, select this circle and select this circle. Now they are both equal. Take the sheet metal, go to cut, select both the profiles and press OK. So this will be the cut profile. Now here go to home. Now I'll go back to the refold, select the refold, select this profile, select add all bends and this will add. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now we have made half of the profile. Now I want this second half. Go to part 2. Now go to mirror and here we will click on mirror solids. So it will select complete body, rotate the profile and for mirror plane select this bottom profile. So it will generate the same profile at the bottom as well and press OK. Okay. So the same profile will be generated. Now select this profile, go to create sketch, take the circle command and from the center point make a circle of diameter 15, go to sheet metal, take here cut and this will be up to thickness depth of 1.5, press OK. Okay. Now here okay, one thing is left. Go to the chamfer profile and here we are going to take a chamfer of 5 mm, go to corner selection, select all the 4 corners, this bottom, rotate and this edge. Okay. Now press OK. So these are 5 into 45 angle. Okay. So this will be the profile. Now you can give the appearance. I have taken the cyan color, select this Now if you want to make the flat pattern, just click create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern of this profile. Okay, so this will be the flat pattern. Now go back to the folded part. So this will be the folded part. From back side, this will be like this. So these holes are for mounting. You can give here the chamfer also. Go to chamfer, take a distance of 0.5 mm. As the sheet metal thickness is 0.5, so we will take 0.5. Okay, here we will, as this is a round profile, go to 3D model, select the chamfer here and provide the distance 0.5. Select this edge, this and this. Okay, now press OK. Now you can see the chamfer profile. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct these sort of advanced sheet metal parts in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.